Our Earth's geology is very different compared to any other planets in the solar system. But is there a possibility of our planet being habitable if there's nothing inside it? We are speculating about what if the Earth was hollow in today's video of Discover Zen. The Earth is divided into 4 major layers: the dense hot inner core, the molten outer core, the mantle, and the thin crust, which supports all life in the known universe. The hard, brittle crust is not located at a uniform depth. It's only about 10 kilometers or 6 miles below the seafloor and about 35 kilometers or 22 miles beneath the land's surface. Beneath the crust is the mantle, the viscous layer that makes up more than half of Earth's volume. The mantle is divided from the core by the Gutenberg discontinuity, about 2,880 kilometers or 1,798 miles beneath the Earth's surface. The outer core is molten iron and nickel, while the inner core is solid and much denser than either iron or nickel at the surface. The mantle and the core are responsible for giving the necessary weight to Earth for its gravity. Not only this, but the magnetic field of Earth is caused by currents of electricity that flow in the molten core. These currents are hundreds of miles wide and flows at thousands of miles per hour as the Earth rotates. The powerful magnetic field passes out through the core of the Earth, then through the crust, and enters space. The magnetic field is important for all life to survive on Earth as it deflects most of the solar wind. If this magnetic field doesn't exist, the charged particles would strip away the ozone layer that protects the Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. So, if the Earth is hollow, there is no magnetic field to save us from the solar flares. But what if the interior of the planet has nothing inside? Then dying from solar radiation will be the least of our concerns because the gravity won't let the Earth remain intact. The crust will be pulled from inside towards the center and it will collapse on its own. But what if the core is made up of some very hard material? The hollow Earth would have a mass less than 0.5% of its current mass. So, the gravitational pull will be so weak that one jump can throw you off into space. There will be no atmosphere, therefore no life on the surface. We now know that life, as we know it, wouldn't exist on a hollow planet. So let's imagine another scenario. What if the moon fell to Earth? Well, that sounds like a different scenario to speculate and investigate on Discover Zen.